Welcome. Today we will discuss mode for ungrouped data. Let us take example 4. The wickets taken by a bowler in 10 cricket matches are as follows: 2, 6, 4, 5, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. Find the mode. So, for this data we have to write the mode. How to find the mode? First of all, we have to draw a table. So, on one column we have to write wickets, and in the another column write number of matches, wickets. So, first of all, arrange the numbers in the ascending order. First you take 0 wickets. A person has taken 0 wickets in how many matches? Only one match. So, in the number of matches column write 1 and take another one. After 1 we should take 1. Number of wickets is 1. So, 1 wicket is taken in only one match, and then after write 2. 2 wickets is taken in 1, 2, 3 matches, and after 2 take 3 wickets. 3 wickets is taken in 2 matches, and 4 wickets in 1 match, and 5 wickets in only 1 match, and 6 wickets in 1 match. So, first count the total number of matches. The total number of matches is 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, these 3, 10. So, this is the data of 10 matches. So, among all this data, the highest frequency, number of matches means frequency, the highest frequency is 3. So, the corresponding value of the highest frequency 3 is 2. So, here the mode is equal to 2. Mode is 2 wickets, not 3. 3 is the frequency. That means 2 has come 3 times. 2 has come 3 times. That is why this 2 is having the highest frequency. So, the mode is 2. So, in this way we can find the mode of ungrouped data. Now, we will find the mode for the grouped data. Let us find out the mode of grouped data. The formula for finding the mode of a grouped data is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by F1 minus F0 plus F1 minus F2 into H. Let us take one example first. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of Gummadidala village. Find the modal monthly expenditure of the families and also find the mean monthly expenditure. For this question we have to find out the mean and the mode, but here we will find only the mode. How to find out that? Actually, it is a survey on 200 people, 200 families. So, we have to draw the table first. So, on one column write the expenditure and on the another column write number of families. So, actually in the question itself the data is given horizontally, we have to write it in vertical mode. So, I am writing 1000 to 1500, the number of families is 24. Here the number of families means it is frequency, and expenditure 1000 to 1500. So, this is class interval. Actually, just observe one thing, the first class intervals upper limit is 1500, and for the next class intervals lower limit is 1500. So, these two are equal. These kind of classes are called exclusive classes. For the exclusive classes, lower limits and the lower boundaries are equal, upper limits and the upper boundaries are equal. So, this is we have learnt this in 9th class itself. So, draw the table first. 1000 to 1500 24 families, 1500 to 2000 40 families, like this you have to write. So, in this data First of all, we have to find out the highest frequency 24, 40, 33, 28, 30, 22, 16 and 7. Among all these numbers, the highest frequency is how much? The highest frequency is 40. So that this 40 will be the highest frequency. So, write this 40 as F1, highest frequency is F1, and the corresponding class interval 1500 to 2000, the corresponding class interval of highest frequency is called modal class. So, write the modal class. I will write modal class equal to 1500 to 2000, and for this modal class we have to observe its preceding class. The preceding class of this modal class is 1000 to 1500. Now we have to find out the frequency of this class, that is 24. So this 24 will be taken as F0, and for the modal class we have to observe the next class. The next class is 2000 to 2500. Its frequency is 33. So that this 33 is called F2. So let us observe the formula of mode. In that we got F1, we got F0 and we got F2. We have to find out L and H. How to find out L? What is L? So L is equal to, L stands for lower boundary of the modal class. How to find out the lower boundary of the modal class? So for 1500 to 2000 we have to find out the lower boundary. How to find out that? So the lower limit of the class interval, the lower limit is 1500 plus the upper limit of its preceding class. So this 1500 is the upper limit of the preceding class. So add these two and get the average, 1500 and the upper limit of its preceding class also 1500. So by simplification we get 1500. So we got L, and we have to find out one more, that is H. What is H? H is the length of the class interval. How to find out the length? Difference between the consecutive upper limits. Or difference between the consecutive lower limits. Take any two consecutive upper limits. I am taking 1500 and 2000. These two are consecutive upper limits. Or we can take 2000 and 2500. Or we can take 2000 and 2500 and 3000. Suppose if you want to take the lower limits, then take 1000 and 1500 as the consecutive lower limits, or we can take 1500 to 2000. So take the difference. So take any two. I am taking 2500 minus 2000. So H is equal to 500. The length of the class interval is 500, and we have to substitute all these values in the formula of mode. So I will write again, mode is equal to, mode is denoted with Z. So the formula is L plus F1 minus F0 by, again write F1 minus F0 and write these two in a bracket, plus again write F1 minus F2 into H is in the numerator. Substitute the values. So L is how much we got? L is the lower boundary of the median class. the lower boundary is 1500. So substitute L 1500 plus F1 minus F0. F1 is 40, F0 is 24. So write 40 minus 24 by again 40 minus 24 because F1 minus F0 plus again F1 minus F2. F2 is 33 into H is 500. Simplify. 1500 plus 40 minus 24, that is 16 by 16 plus 7 into 500. So simplification. It will become 1500 plus 8000 by 23. So divide 8000 with 23. 23 3s are 69, 11, 120, 23 5 ja, 23 4 ja, 80, 12, 92, 18, 180 again, 23 7 jar, 240, 21, 140, 21, 161. So it is 19. Keep a decimal 0. Again 23 8 160, 2184. So just it goes on. So 347.8. So simplification, 1500 plus 347.8. Add these two. It will become 1847.8. Actually these are rupees. So that after decimal you have to take 2 digits. So we can keep 10. So the mean for the group data is 1847.80. So this is the mean. Now I will write what in the formula, what is L, what is F1, what is F0, what is H. I will write here again. L is equal to lower boundary of the model class. H is length of the class interval. And F1 is highest frequency. And F0 is the frequency of the preceding class of the model class. And F2 is frequency of the successive class of the model class. Then what is model class? We should know that first. Model class is the class which has the highest frequency. Like this, you have to find out the mode of the group data. So you have to finish exercise 14.2. 2. In the next class, we will discuss the median of the grouped data and as well as the ungrouped data. Thank you.